there! Welcome to 1405 E Galien Buchanan Rd in Buchanan, Michigan, where we are 90 minutes east of Chicago and a 30-minute drive from Lake Michigan. My name is Shirley Beam. I'm a local realtor with Cressy & Everett. I'm going to be your hostess today. Excited you're here. Come on in. Every room in this house is very spacious. It's a custom-built home, 33 years old, owned and loved by the same family. Has custom oak cabinetry, beautiful views of the 30.1 acres of land. Has a lot of buildings with this home as well. We have 3 outbuildings that all have electric. We are entering now into the 3-season room, which has newer windows and runs the length of the home. Offers incredible views of the 30.1 acres of woods. All the outbuildings you can see from this room as well. The outbuildings have electric and they're set up for a craftsman woodworker. We also have a man-made pond on this property that has a windmill. On the 31 acres, we also have a small peat lake, which is on the property. This is a nature lover's paradise. It offers great hunting, turkeys, bird watching, everything that a nature or a big family would want, because we have a big home here with 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths. The master bedroom is on the main floor of the home. Nice size. When this home was built 33 years ago, Mr. Moore built his bedrooms bigger than common. On the first floor of the home, we have a very convenient, dedicated main floor laundry area. The home features a lot of natural and ornate woodwork. The woodwork was handmade by Mr. Moore. The second floor of the home offers, again, large, spacious bedrooms. We have 2 bedrooms on the second floor with walk-in closets with a Jack and Jill area connecting the walk-in closets. This home is unique and very large. One of the nice features of this home are 3 bathrooms, 1 on each floor, which is very convenient. And all 3 bathrooms are completely full bathrooms. Here is our 3rd bedroom. Again, you can see it is a very large bedroom. Also has a very spacious walk-in closet. This home offers a very lovely foyer and entry area. It says welcome to Buchanan. As we go downstairs, the downstairs is partially finished with a separate kitchen area, and it offers a walkout basement. The basement also offers a bathroom on this level, complete with a shower. Plenty of storage in this house. We have some built-in pantries, and we also have a separate designated mechanical room. Home also offers a sidekick wood-burning heat system if you choose to use the land. So glad you joined me today for this tour. I look forward to showing you this home. It has so many amenities. I'm excited that you joined me today.